So, for our next naman, POM-QM, mag-i-start na tayo sa queuing theory. Our first model is MM1. So, ito, pipindutin lang natin yung used cost because syempre may cost tayo doon. And lalagay lang natin yung title which is Pizza Deliver 1. 1, 1, and 2. Yan. So, yon. So, given sa table natin, ilalagay lang natin yung lambda, yung value niya which is 8. Sa mu naman natin is 10. Server cost time is 10. And yung sa waiting time naman is 12. So, ito, tama, naka-hours. So, pindutin lang natin yung solve. Then, yun. Yan na, lumabas, tama. So, same ng value. Ito, 0.8, 3.2, 4, 0.4, 0.5, 0.2, 54, 58, and 48.4. Yos. So, yun, tama. Same lang sa solving natin. So, ito yung probability na so, next naman is yung final. Ito yung graph. Yan. So, that's all.